Trading lesson number 106. How can I start trading? Karamihang tanong ng mga gustong pasukin ang mundo ng trading. This is the wrong question, master. The right question is how to learn trading. Bago ka magsimulang mag-trading, kailangan mo munang aralin kung ano ba talaga yung pinapasok mo. Paano ba ito nag-work? Paano ba yung execution? Dahil masasayang lang yung pera mo dito once na hindi mo inaral to. And the most important thing is to learn a profitable strategy. Maraming profitable strategy na nag-e-exist, master. Mapa-price action, volume trader, SMC, ICT, at marami pang iba. You need to find one that is compatible and suit to your personality. Mapascalp man yan, day trade, swing, or kahit position trading pa. Once na meron ka ng profitable strategy or system na sinusunod, unang-una mong kailangan gawin is to test itong trading strategy na to sa demo account. You need to check first the historical data. Karamihan sa mga beginner or kahit experienced trader, nakita lang nila na pumrofit yung iba dito. Ginagaya lang nila yung strategy without knowing how it works. Simpleng backtest lang yung kailangan mo or kahit pagtingin sa previous history ng chart, backtest na yung tawag dyan, master. You need to check when that strategy is working, when siya applicable to use, and how many % yung probability niya to win versus loss. Once na alam mo na tong mga information na to and na-learn mo na, meaning you already equipped with knowledge. Dahil karamihang mali ng mga baguang trader or kahit experienced trader is nagsisimula first sa tanong na how can I start trading without learning it first. Kapag natalo na sila ng malalaking pera, dito pa lang sila nagsisimula sa pag-aaral ng trading. Learning what trading is before you start trading is malaking bagay, master. Para hindi ka na magsayang ng pera, magkaroon ng tuition fee sa market. Dahil the moment na you are fully equipped sa knowledge dito sa market, meron ka ng strategy or system na sinusunod at hindi ka na bara-bara kung mag-trade. Dahil dumaan ka sa tamang proseso ng learning phase ng trading career mo. And once ready ka na to test your skills, dito pa lang kayo pupunta sa questions na how can I start trading?